Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to fix your Beat Solo Wireless 3 when it breaks. Unfortunately, I was wearing this while playing football and football hit on them and it broke. So in this video we're gonna show you how to repair this using standard good quality super glue. You can't fix it if you don't use good quality because it will not hold rust. Make sure you have also some gloves, some protective wear clothes, and a screwdriver so you can unscrew the screws. The first thing you have to remove the screws. So try to bend this without breaking it even further, and unscrews the screws that were located here. So you could come something like that. After, you have to remove this plastic here, which is partly removed, but you have to remove it even further in order to have access to the plastic pieces. So it should look something like that. Now, because this is tightly bound with this, you have to slowly do it something like this. It will be removed. Now the broken plastic will be inside in this space. So slowly remove the broken plastic so you can fix it. So therefore we have removed the two plastics where that requires to be fixed. The next stage is to somehow isolate this area and with a protective cloth and try to glue these two pieces with a very high quality glue back to the place. It depends. This should work for any general case that has broken. It may be some situation, if the damage was in such case, it maybe will not work. But in our case, there's enough surface to glue and give quite some resistance. In addition, we might use some additional tape, which I'm going to show you now. You might use some very high quality tape that will give enough resistance to make this last longer. First, I'm gonna put my gloves to avoid any glue in my fingers. I would recommend high quality elastic gloves. I'm gonna proceed with the first case. If your glue isn't working, trying to make a hole with seems there's a stuck piece there. Let it a few seconds, and after add the piece on the surface. Make sure the first time you put it correctly. and hold it there for at least 20 seconds. Again, my recommendation, have a very good quality glue, probably buy new one. Don't do what I have done. And leave it for 24 hours. In a similar way, proceed with the piece number 2. Probably this one because I have put some more glue. I have to hold it for 30 seconds. Leave it there for at least quite some time. After when you have left it for 24 hours, you see if it's stick well or not. What you can do to add some more resistance and strength, you can do what I have done similar here. You can add a layer of this tape, a tiny layer of this tape, like this. This will give, it will absorb any shock, so it will last longer, because that would add some additional resistance, so it will last longer. Without this, it might not last long. So I recommend put a small layer and put it after back. But make sure that the layer, it will be very, very tiny, so it will not be obvious. So it will be something like this. And after, when you add the layer, screw back. So put the screws back. Don't tighten it very well. Nothing will be good as you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you think about my fix. Thank you.